Hello my dear friends, I heartily welcome you all in my channel Oxy MBBS. Friends, in this video we will discuss on very important topic, and this is normal height and weight growth in infant and in the children. So first here we are discussing the parameters related to the height. So for the height, what you will have to remember, this is a very beautiful girl, and this beautiful girl has made many boyfriend, and the age of this girl is what, 12 years. तो कितने साल की एज में ये ब्यूटीफुल लड़की ने बॉयफ्रेंड बनाया है? 12 इयर्स की एज में. कितनी एज में? 12 इयर्स की एज में बॉयफ्रेंड बनाए हैं. तो दिस ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल हैज़ मेड many boyfriends at 12 years of age because she is very beautiful. So from the boyfriend in 12, the different numbers we have. From B, it is telling that at the time of birth, O means 1 at a 1 year of the age, F means at 4 years of the age, and 12 means at 12 years of the age. So for the height, what you will have to remember, girl, a beautiful girl made boyfriend at 12 years of the age. Boyfriend at 12 years of the age. So the parameters we have at birth, at 1 year of the age, at 4 year of the age, and at 12 years of the age. So at birth, the height or length of the baby is 50 centimeter. At 1 year of the age, it is 75 centimeter, and at 4 years of the age, it is 100 centimeter, and at 12 years of the age, it is 150 centimeter. So we can say that at 1 year of the age, within 1 year of the age, the height increases, or the gain in the height is 25 centimeter, because at birth it was 50 centimeter, and at 1 year of the age it is 75 centimeters. So gain in height or gain in length is 25 centimeter. So we can say that, and 25 centimeter is 50% of the birth height. So we can say that at 1 year of the age, the gain in height is 50% of the birth height. So this is very important MCQ. At 1 year of the age, how much gained in the height? So it is 50% of the birth height. Okay, my dear friends. Second question that comes in the exam is that at what years of the age, at what age the height of the baby becomes 2 times double of the birth height. So at birth it is 50 centimeter. So the question is telling that 2 times of the birth height, it means 2 times of the birth height, so it will become 100 centimeter. So at 4 years of the age, at around 4 years of the age, the height of the baby is 100 centimeter, and it is said that 2 times of the height of the birth. And at 12 years of the age, the height becomes triple of the birth height, and it is now 150 centimeters. So these 3 questions, one at 1 year of the age, and at 4 years of the age, and at 12 years of the age, these 3 questions are very important, my dear friends. So at 1 year age, gain is 50% of the birth height. At 4 years of the age, 2 times, and at 12 years of the age, it is 3 times. So here you can see that within this 1 year, the gain in height is 25 centimeter. It means within short duration, the height gain is more as compared to this duration, that is from 1 year up to 4 years. So within this 3 years of the age, only gain is 25 centimeter. So within 3 years the gain is 25 centimeter, while in the initial phase of the growth the height gained is more as compared to the later phase. Okay, my dear friends. And here one very important question comes in the exam, that after 4 years of the age the gain in height is approximately 6 centimeter per year. 6 centimeter per year. 6 centimeter per year. Remember, my dear friends, 6 centimeter per year. Okay. So it is not 6 centimeter per month. It is not month, it is year. Because if it will be 6 centimeter per month, then it is going to become height equal to the Everest height in this long human being, like on Everest, Mount Everest. So the height gained is 6 centimeter per year after the 4 years of the age, and later on it becomes 3 times the birth height at 12 years of the age. So these are all important questions related to the growth of the height. For this you will have to remember, girl is making many boyfriend at what age? At 12 years of the age, because she is very beautiful, my dear friends. Now here we are coming to weight. So for the weight, what you will have to remember, these parameters: at the time of birth, what is the weight of the baby; at the time of 6 months of the age; at 1 year; at 2 years; at 3 years; at 5 years; at 7 years; and at 10 years of the age. So these are all the parameters that we have to remember. So for this, what you will have to remember, now this is now become very easy. Let's suppose this is a bus, and in the bus, as soon as the passenger start to sit, the weight of the bus increases. As the passenger increases in the bus, number of passenger increases, then the weight of the bus increases. Okay, the weight of the bus increases, and this bus is going where? In the Ooty, and this bus is going very fast. Okay, so bus